Overwintering eggs of certain insects such as red spiders, scale, aphids, codling moth, whiteflies, and mealybugs allow these troublesome insects to get a jump on their plant damage in the early season. Bonide's All Seasons Horticultural and Dormant Spray Oil is an organic way to get early season control of these insects before they do significant damage to your plants. This 3-in-1 superior type paraffinic oil recommended for organic gardening can be used early in the season as a dormant spray and also during growing season to control a wide range of insect, mite, and disease pests. Insects and mites do not build up a resistance to All Seasons Horticultural Spray Oil because it suffocates the egg, nymph, or adult stage of these pests. Applied in the growing season, it will also control various plant diseases such as powdery mildew, rust, botrytis, and many others. All Seasons Horticultural Spray Oil easily mixes with water and can be sprayed on an extensive listing of plants during their dormant or growing phase. Use the higher amounts per gallon of water during the dormant season or when pest activity is high. Use the lower amount per gallon of water when pest activity is light or when using the product as a preventative. The available, ready-to-spray product, which attaches to a garden hose, automatically mixes the paraffinic oil at the blended rate. Repeat spray intervals vary between listed plants, so it is important to follow the label recommendations. Incorporating Bonide's All Seasons Horticultural Oil Spray into your plant care routine is highly beneficial as it offers early season control during the dormant stage, plus provides excellent in-season control of many troublesome insects, mites, and diseases. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.